Hey you guys, I'm here with another Christmas DIY, and it's gonna be a Christmas basket. Of course, you know I love to make my baskets, and especially now for Christmas since I love to give out things to my family and friends because it's Christmas. Go ahead and get your list ready of who you're gonna give out something to, and let's make a cute little basket for somebody. This basket, I picked it up at the dollar store. The styrofoam, I picked it up at the dollar store. This tissue, I picked it up at the dollar store. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little red tissue on the top just to give this basket a little bit of color. And since it is Christmas, you know red is so popular in Christmas. So I'm gonna go add a little tissue just to give it a little more Christmassy color. And red is the color. And look at how cute it is. It just gives it that little pop of color that the basket really, really needs. And red is awesome. So let's get started. Make sure you have all your stuff ready and your glue gun. Now the first thing that I'm adding are these microfiber towels for the car. And they were $5.99 at Ross. So I'm going to go ahead and rip out that sticker really fast. And this basket's going to be for my hubby, of course, because it's car wash theme. And you know they love to wash their cars. And I like the fact that it has 8 of them. It has 8 towels, and that is a good price for the amount. So if you can peel off the sticker, do the best you can and just add another sticker on top. That's exactly what I did. I had a hard time peeling off this sticker and I didn't want the video to be way too long. So I just added a little Christmas sticker on top. Now these towels are 14 by 14. So they're a pretty big size, which I didn't know weren't gonna fit in the basket. I thought they would. So let's wait and see what I do because I actually make them fit in that little basket. I didn't want to make the basket without the towels because I bought the towels just for this basket. So you see how I could not take the sticker off. All I'm going to do is add a little Christmas sticker. I picked these up at the dollar store. Go ahead. They have a ton of them this year. And you actually get a good amount of stickers for $1. So go ahead and head over to the dollar store and pick up some supplies. I'm going to add this cute little Christmas bow just on top, and that's perfect. Now you see how I'm trying to put the towels in any which way? It's so funny. I couldn't get them to stay. Usually I say if it doesn't fit, just don't put it in. But this time I really wanted these towels in here. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is a gift card, as I love to add little gift cards. I think they're so useful, especially in the winter when you have to pay your bills and give out gifts and you run out of money. So this little gift card is to McDonald's and it is $10. And we're going to add this right in the middle of the basket. Right there. Now for the gift card, all you need is a little skewer and some glue. And voila, it stays on there perfect. And anyways, when they grab the gift card, the glue peels off. So that's perfect. Nothing gets damaged. Don't worry about anything like that. The next thing I'll be adding is this Steve Madden wallet. I picked this up at Macy's. I thought it was time he got a new wallet, and what better way to give him a new wallet than Christmas? I love this little wallet. I like Steve Madden a lot. I have his boots and a bunch of other shoes. And look at the inside. It says Steve Madden. And it has somewhere to put your ID. And it has, I want to say 6 card holders. 7 with the one you could put your ID on. So I thought it would be perfect if I gave him a couple of cards just to start his wallet off. I grabbed a $25 from Subway. I grabbed another $10 from McDonald's. And look at how cute it fits already. Now, this is a little surprise just so when he opens his wallet, voila, there's some stuff in it. I thought that would be a great Christmas gift. Since this is the only thing he will be getting from me is this basket. I grabbed a little mini size picture of the boys. I thought that would be great for him to have in there. Those pictures, I ordered them wallet size from Shutterfly. And then look at the price tag is inside. So we're just going to remove the amount and leave the tag in. And then, of course, I'm going to add a little bit of cash because my favorite gift to give a guy on any occasion is money. So I added a little bit of money in there just so he could get started on his Christmas, wrapping. I thought that would be cool. So let's go ahead and close this wallet up. And it's going to be right into the basket. I want it to be right in front so he could see it as soon as he opens the basket. And that's perfect. So these little towels are giving me so much trouble. I can't keep them on. So what I do is I grab a little skewer stick, stick it right into the styrofoam, and voila, it holds up the towels. Can you believe it, guys? So I thought that was a little perfect idea, just so the towels, stay up because I really want them in this basket. The next thing I'll be adding is chocolate, of course, because it is Christmas. I picked up this chocolate Lindor bar in milk chocolate. I picked that up at, I think it was Walgreens. And it was, I want to say $2.99. I picked up these 4 packs of car air fresheners because he loves using these, you guys. And they were $6.99 at Ross. And that's a good price, believe it or not. They're super expensive. If you buy like one of them, it's like $4. So when I saw that this one had 6, I just had to get it because he loves putting these in his car because he likes to have his car nice and clean. So I thought this pack was amazing. Oh, you don't get 6, you get 4 of them, sorry. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more tissue just so the wallet will stand up a little more and it pops. I wanted to show that it says Steve Madden on there. And there you go. That's all I wanted to do is show because I'm going to go ahead and take some pictures and put them up on my Instagram. You guys are welcome to follow me there. It's DIY with Susie. The next thing I picked up were these men's owns clippers. I grabbed these at TJ Maxx and I thought they would be great to put in there since I always losing my nail clippers. I don't know why. Like I always lose them. So I thought these were cute and I love the color on them. The blue really stands out. So let's go ahead and take this little sticker off. I didn't want to take the stickers off because I wanted to show you the prices of the basket. And everything I got for this basket was either on sale or I used a coupon like always, except the wallet, of course. But actually the wallet was 40% off. So yeah, I did really good in this basket. I'm really proud of it. I'm trying to, budget just a little bit. So yeah, these nail clippers are awesome. The next thing I'll be adding is this little cute sign that says hugs and kisses. If you know me, I love to always answer back on your comments with hugs and kisses. I love saying that a lot. I have no idea why, but it's just really nice, to wish somebody a good day with a little hug. So yeah, I'll be adding that. And hopefully he could put it on his desk where he works at. I thought this was a good sign. I picked up this little sign at the Dollar Tree and they actually have it in silver and in red. So I picked both of them up just in case I gave them to somebody. I have the silver and the red one. The next thing I'm adding is this little Dove bar. No, actually, it's a moisturizer. It's like a Dove lotion. I picked that up at the dollar store. I thought it would be very cute to add to my basket. And there you go. I'm putting the sign right in front because I want the sign now to stand out more than the wallet. because it's a cute little sign. And so it's intensive cream. So I'm going to go ahead and try to add that onto the basket. The basket is pretty full already. And there you go. It actually fit in there just perfect. So I'm really happy about that. And voila, my basket is ready. Sometimes the stuff that you have, if doesn't fit in the basket, it's fine. You guys just leave it out. Use it for somebody else's basket. Don't worry. I'm going to go ahead and clip a little bit off the wooden stick just so when I wrap the basket, it doesn't stick out. But it holds very well. And there you go. You have a beautiful, nice basket to give somebody who you love with a couple of their favorite things, of course. Always make sure when you're making a basket that you think of that person's favorite color, what that person would like, what they would want in their home, what they use a lot, whether it be a hairbrush or some hairpins, anything you think that person would want and need. Go ahead and add it to their basket. I'm sure when they open it, they're going to be like, whoa, this is so me. And they're going to appreciate it and they're going to love you just a little more. Let's go ahead and wrap this basket. Now, you know these bags, I pick them up at the Dollar Tree. They're they give you two baskets for, two bags for $1. So I love to use them. These are my favorite bags and I'm always showing you. So I didn't show you the bag today. So let's go ahead and tape the bottom of the bag together. Just so the bag could look a little more fitted. I like to tape the bottom together. And with this one, I'm going to go ahead and use a Christmas ribbon. Now this ribbon, I picked it up at the dollar store. It is 9 feet long. So you'll be able to get a lot of ribbon out of this. And since it looks like the theme that I'm going for, which is peppermint this year, I decided to pick it up. And I'm going to go ahead and use it on a couple of my baskets. Just because it's nice and Christmassy. Go ahead and measure your ribbon. Make sure you have enough ribbon to make a huge bow at the top of the basket. Crunch the top off. Remember to have your ribbon in your other hand. And let's go ahead and tie this together. Make sure you tie the top super tight just so nothing moves out of place. Go ahead and make your bow. And there you go. Look how gorgeous that looks already. With just making a bow on the top, it really makes it stand up. Go ahead and grab your scissors. I'm going to cut a piece of the top off like always, because if not, it's too heavy, the top, and it brings down the basket, and we don't want that to happen. So just cut a little piece of the top, fluff it up, and let's finish this basket, you guys. Now, since it is Christmas, I'm going to go ahead and add a little ornament on the top. And look at how cute. I'm really happy with this basket. I'm really liking it. I'm glad I added the little bow. Now I'm going to add this little Christmas ornament at the top, which I hauled a ton of them. So I'm going to go ahead and add it in. It has a little ornament, a little gift, and a little cute apple. So let's just go ahead and clip this in. The magic of this ornament is that it's a clip-on. So even better. And there you go. Look at how gorgeous this basket is. It's ready to give somebody for the holidays. And here's a little close-up. My God, it is so cute. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys make one for somebody you love. And if you do, go ahead and show me a picture. Just follow me on Instagram. It's DIY with Susie. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up on this video. And until next time, bye you guys.